C for cat, T for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for egg, I for ice, J for jockey, K for kite, L for light, N for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for pen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tomato, U for rat, W for watch, X for X-ray, I for wine, Z for G.
Very good. ఇంకో చిన్నది ఫ్రూట్స్ నేమ్ అండ్ డేస్ అండ్ మంత్. భవిష్య.
My name is Bhavishya. I am studying first class.
Fruits name.
Fruits names: apple, banana, guava, strawberry, custard apple, strawberry.
Days చెప్పు.
Grapes,
డేస్
watermelon, pineapple, guava.
సండే మండేలు చెప్పు.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
మంత్స్
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
బాగాలేనండి డాన్స్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇప్పుడు